Have you been struggling with generating ideas for your YouTube video as a YouTuber? Then this video is for you. Stay till the end and I will give you a secret tip that nobody will tell you. I also use that secret tip to generate ideas for my videos. Let's go right into the 10 practical ways I'm going to share with you on how to generate ideas for your videos. Number one practical tip to generate ideas for your videos is research your niche. Explore trending topics. What's trending? Go on Google Trend, go on Google itself, go even on ChatGPT. Go on ChatGPT, ask what is trending. Check those things. Ask questions. You can use tools like Google Trend, Answer the Public, and YouTube itself to know what is trending. Okay, so do research on your niche. What's going on this particular niche? If you are in a niche where you teach about children, ask questions. Go on YouTube. What's trending? What do they want to know about children? Is it the Minecraft? Because a lot of children are running after Minecraft and so many things. Anything they watch on TV, their education, try to find out what's going on your niche. Use tools like Google Trend, Answer the Public, and YouTube itself to do your research on your niche. That is a very good way of getting ideas for generating videos for your YouTube channel. Number two, engage with your audience. Go on your community tab. Try to type. Ask, what do you want to see? What content do you want me to produce? Ask questions, they will answer you. They are humans. Everybody is a human. We are all humans behind the keyboards and behind every channel. Okay, but there is something your audience wants to see. Ask them, what do you want to see? What content do you want? Ask questions and go on your comment section. Try to see what are they asking. Maybe you thought on something and something is not clear. Try to find out, this is what and what they need, so that you make videos around it. That's another great way. Create posts, question and answer. What is this? What is that? A, B, C, D. Put the answers there. Let them give you answers. All those things, they give you idea of, so a lot of people maybe lack knowledge when it comes to this, or they have this kind of knowledge and they need this. It will give you the gaps that are in your niche that you can work on. Number three, analyze your competitors. When I mean competitors, I don't like the word competition, okay? But people in your niche, other creators in your niche. Check what's going on. Engage. Listen to their videos from beginning to the end. You may see some content gap that you can leverage on. Go to their comment section. You will see some of their audience asking questions that maybe they did not talk about in the video, or they did not explain very well. That will give you a great idea. These people need this, because you are in the same niche and you can produce good content for them. That is a great way of generating ideas for your YouTube videos. Number four, use social media insights. Go on TikTok. What is trending? Go on Instagram Reels. Go on Instagram itself. What are the topics that are trending? Take advantage of those things. Go on Facebook, X, Twitter, now known as X. What's going on there? Take advantage, especially if you're in a niche where maybe you produce news, like your videos are around news. What's going on? Is it celebrities? Those are the kind of things that you can take advantage of what's going on social media. So leverage on social media insights. That's a great way of generating ideas for your YouTube videos. Number five, repurpose your existing content. So for me, there are some videos I've made, and as I'm watching it myself, I'm like, I think I did not explain this thing very well, or I think I missed this step and everything. Come back, do an update. That's another great way, so you will not run out of ideas. Do an update, make it better, do the editing better. The content itself, make it more loaded and more explicit. That's another great way of generating ideas. So you can even refer back to the video you've done before and say, I did this video, but I can see that I did not talk about this major thing in the video. So when you come back to your audience and you're giving them updates, is another great way of generating ideas for your videos. Number six, try Q&A format. Frequently asked questions. Go on sites like Quora, Reddit, and ask what's going on, what are the questions that people are asking every time. Those things will give you great ideas of how, oh, I can create a topic, I can create a title, I can create a video on this particular question they are always asking. In fact, when you create videos on frequently asked questions, you can imagine that a lot of people are looking for answers, so they will easily come and watch your videos, and that's a great way of creating great ideas for your YouTube video, and you will get a lot of audience watching your videos. Number 7, leverage on current trends. What's going on? Challenges here and there. This challenge is going on. It can be a music challenge. It can be a challenge that, any challenge at all. For me, I'm doing a 30 days challenge of posting a video every day. That's a challenge. A lot of YouTubers have done it as well. I have my experiences. I have my experience. They have theirs. So leverage on current trends, those challenges, those memes that are going on. Just create videos around them and you'll get a lot of traffic to your YouTube channel. Number 8, experiment on how-to guides. How-to is evergreen on YouTube. How-to is evergreen on YouTube. Videos that any video that has the word how-to, a lot of people watch because you are teaching something. How to create a YouTube channel, how to cook food, I'm always talking about cooking because I love cooking, okay? Yeah, so how to cook food, how to sew clothes, how to make hair. All these how-to videos, they are always trending and they are evergreen videos. These are videos that over time people will still be watching in your channel. Number 9, show behind the scenes. So I did a video where I changed the background of my video, okay? I was teaching how to change the background of my video, and I had to show the window, how I was sitting on my bed. Those behind the scenes, they are always very interesting. In fact, sometimes those are the things that people are really interested in. They don't want your perfection. The imperfection, let's see, so that we know that, okay, we are all humans, okay? We are all humans. This is how the person struggled to make it. This is what happened. They laughed at some point, they stopped, they paused, and they started again. That behind the scene is always very interesting. For me, I love watching behind the scenes. I don't know if you are like me. So when you show those things, first of all, it will make people feel relaxed with you. They will know that, okay, yes. So this is not a super human like one spirit. This is a human like you and I. Okay, and it gives this relaxation mood, and it's always very interesting because they're like, oh, okay, so he didn't say this thing well before, he said it again. For instance, for me, I do a lot of cut and sew because sometimes I'm talking like this, I'll be like, what do I want to say before? I will now stop and try to think again. So those behind the scene, they used to help. That's another great way of generating ideas for your YouTube videos. Number 10, collaborate with other creators. I want to use this opportunity to say hello to my Uganda friend. Yes, I made a friend on this particular channel, Henry. His name is Henry. Hello, Henry. I'm sure he's watching right now because he watches most of my videos, and that was how we became friends. Okay, so collaborate with other people. Call a friend, call somebody in your niche, collaborate, do a video together, share different ideas, maybe your challenges. It can even be a question and answer. How have you been able to run your YouTube channel so far and everything? It makes it interesting. Your audience are happy, and it gives you this advantage of getting more subscribers, because some of the subscribers that have subscribed to the other person want to subscribe to you because maybe they like your content. They're like, oh, okay, I've already subscribed to this person, but I want to subscribe to the person he or she collaborated with because their content, resonates with me. So that's another great way of generating ideas for your YouTube channel. Don't be a single person. Contact me. Let us collaborate. Honestly, it's fun. It will be fun. Your audience will love it. And when you are collaborating, please don't be a leech. As I am now, I have less than 100 subscribers. I don't want to mention the exact because I'm growing gradually. As at the time I was mentioning 43, I think I was already on 50 something. So let me just stop. Let me say right now I'm less than 100 subscribers. If I want to now go and collaborate with Mr. Beast, that means I am I'm deceiving myself. Okay, so please don't do that. Collaborate with your peers so that you grow together. By the time you want to go and collaborate with people that have millions of subscribers and you don't have any subscribers, you look like a leech that just want to come and, no, that is not the best way to collaborate. So collaborate in such a way that is mutually beneficial to both of you. Okay, that's the best way to collaborate. Now, I said I was going to tell you a secret. Secret, there's always a secret. Okay, and this secret is actually my own behind the scene that I want to show you how I generate ideas, right? So when I want to film, sometimes if I have everything I want to say in my head, okay, but I list them down so that I don't forget any point, and I use my phone. So what the secret I want to share with you now is that I spy my phone. When I spy, sometimes you will not catch me spying. I think in one of my videos, you will catch me spying. I was just trying to use editing, whatever, I think I will write words where I was trying to spy, taking my face off the camera. But if you look very well in that video, let me tell you the video. I think I was talking about how I started a business from scratch without capital. That particular video, if you look very well, you will catch me in one of those things. So the secret is that we all spy. We wrote this thing somewhere. I've been saying number 1, number 2, number 3, and you think it's just all from my head. Yeah, it is from my head. But so that I don't forget in the middle of filming, I will come and spy. And look at what I am spying. That's what I'm spying. Okay, so now you'll be like, okay, she's spying, but we've watched the whole video. I can't see her taking her face off the camera. That is where editing comes in. So most times I cut off those places where I go and look at wherever I'm spying. So that is the huge secret that I said I was going to talk to you about. Stay glued to this channel. More secrets will come. Okay, I'm very, very plain. I don't have anything to hide. So I will keep telling you exactly how I'm doing it. Just support me by subscribing to the channel. If you have not, kindly subscribe, share, turn on your notification bell, and like the video. More importantly, comment in the comment section. Collaborate with other creators here. Comment in the comment section, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Bye.